Hi, as per your suggestion, we have added a new rule into the plugin that allows you to offer a discount based upon the shipping method selected by the user. Now, to find out the shipping method system name for which you want to offer a discount, we have added a new option. You have to go to the extra settings and then you have to select view system name of the shipping method. You have to enable this option. This option will show the system name of the shipping method on your checkout page. This will be only visible to you when you are logged in as an admin. Normal user will not be able to see this system names. Now I have enabled this option, and when I go to the checkout page, you will see the system names. These are the system name for the local delivery. This is the system name for the standard shipping. Now say for example, I want to offer a discount for the local delivery or say standard shipping. So I will copy the free shipping 26 value and then I will go to the discount rules. I will add the discount rule, create the normal discount rule like you do, and you have to select shipping method rule equal to, and then one second, then you have to paste it the shipping method system name over here. You can add multiple shipping method name over here. Say I have another shipping method with Pysol pickup method. I'm adding that as well. So now when the user will select any of the shipping method for this two, he will be getting a discount of 10% on his total. Now save it. Now when we go to the checkout page, you will see that the discount of 10% is applied when you select standard shipping method based discount. This is the discount rule that we have created. And when the user will select other shipping method, this discount will be removed. When he selects standard shipping method, discount will be applied. I hope this will solve your problem.